We are at Valentino Family Forest this morning, gearing up before we gotta get out on the trail. We all warmed up?
No, I'm freezing.
All right, let's go.
Which way do you want to go?
We're gonna keep right. Somebody lost a glove. Yeah, this is icy. Quite icy. Hopefully when we get past here, it won't be too bad. Try and walk in the crunch.
Yeah.
Look at the tiny little stick thing.
I wonder why people do that.
I don't know. Little tree teepee.
I wonder what those are for.
I don't know why people do that. I'll have to look it up.
Yeah. Oh, thanks. Oh, look at the bridge.
Little bridge.
That's so funny. He like helped everybody cross all those crossings.
He did. Oh, wow. Oh, there's a little bench right here.
There's that milk crate.
Where? Oh, yeah. Good guy. Good eye.
He walked past it twice.
Because I was looking at this thing.
That
Looking at the water. Eeyore spotted a cool old milk jug here. Pretty neat. Right there, an old Borden's milk jug. That's pretty cool. I thought so. It's like seeing it for the first time.
That's crazy.
Wow, looks like a washing machine or something in there.
That's so cool.
And look at the heart.
Oh my god.
A little heart indentation.
That is really neat.
Yeah, it is.
Ice cream.
It is. That's really cool. Be careful, this is really slippery.
Slick up here.
Yeah.
That's all I can do.
It definitely is. Oh, it's beautiful. The ice covering the falls here is just, it's awesome. All the moss covering the rocks is awesome too.
I know, it was nice to see all green.
I know. Oh, here's another stick lineup up here. Another nice bench with a lookout. Must be a great place to have some morning coffee. Hello, anybody home? Oh, that must be a chair for the forest giant. Gotta burn some of them Christmas cookies off. We're on the lookout for an old sugar shack that was here. And we're on the loop, red loop trail for it. So we're hoping to see it soon.
I mean, it is really cool looking.
It is. Seemingly out in the middle of nowhere. Oh, I see some old bricks. They're always fun to come across.
Look at the beams.
Wow. What do they call that? Like hand...
I'm not sure.
hand honed or something like that? I don't know. I have to look it up. I love all the different color like woods.
Yeah.
The old carry brick. Oh, the DB and Co. We have one of those. Really cool.
Yeah.
Looks like a good place for us to have some cocoa. What do you think?
Absolutely.
We'll have some cocoa in the sugar shack. We'll open the door for a nice light breeze since it's so beautiful out.
A nice light breeze and a shack with no windows.
Finishing up the sugar shack loop. Had a nice hot cocoa break at the sugar shack. Quite a few inclines on this loop, for sure. We climbed quite a bit. There's a little bench area over here. Good spot if you want to sit and be one with the trees. How pretty is that? Gorgeous. Well, what went up now must go down. Stay in the crunchy stuff. Taking your time?
Yeah.
Okay. And switchbacks. We came from the top there. Weaving its way right down. Another downhill. I think the downhills are worse than the uphills. It's quite the tree. Right? Oh, that's pretty.
That's really cool. Somebody walked on it.
Yeah, they did. That's still trickling over there.
Even here, yeah. Huh?
That's a big shroom.
That's really cool.
In the middle of the path here, we have a chunk of bone.
That was chewed on.
That was chewed on. Anyone know who this came from? We'd be curious to know. Nice. But all that down there is built up beaver dam. Josh's jaunt. An old barbed wire running through the tree. We have a sheet of ice to walk over. So I think we're going to probably go around so we don't wind up down there. So we'll walk around it. Oh, you know what though? Just watch before you step. You know, because there's running water under here. Woo, it's wet here. Come around this way if you can. It's stunning in here. Cool rock formations and everything in here too. We're headed back out to the car from Valentino Family Forest. This is a beautiful place to come hike, and we would highly recommend it to anyone. Weaving our way back up to the parking lot now. Another old stone wall. We'll put the link to this place in the comments for anyone interested in checking it out. It is also listed on all trails. The Valentino Family Community Forest, I believe. Lots of stick piles. They do actually have a porta potty here, which is nice. All right, this is ice straight up, so we'll catch you next time. We'll see you out there.